Most condo buyers focus on the mortgage and forget about two other monthly charges that can be just as expensive. Here's what maintenance fees actually are and how they're different from property tax. Think of maintenance fees as the lifeblood of your building. They're monthly charges every owner pays to the condo corporation. This money covers everything shared: building insurance, hallway lights, elevator repairs, landscaping, and contributions to a reserve fund for future major repairs. The corporation budgets these costs and divides them among the units, which is why fees vary so much based on a building's age, size, and amenities. So how is that different from property tax? It's simple. Maintenance fees go to your condo corporation for your building. Property tax goes to the city for municipal services like roads, schools, and police. Both are mandatory, both can increase each year, and you must budget for both before you close on a property. Now, that reserve fund is critical. It's the building's savings account for huge future repairs, like a new roof or windows. If that fund is low, the building has two bad options: skyrocket the maintenance fees or let the building deteriorate. A low reserve fund, which you can spot in the condo's documents, is a massive red flag. Mortgage lenders know this and often refuse to finance a condo with a critically low reserve fund. So when you're budgeting, remember you have three separate monthly payments: your mortgage to the bank, property tax to the city, and maintenance fees to the condo corporation. A condo with a $400,000 mortgage might have an extra $350 per month in just fees and taxes on top of it. Always remember the true cost equation: maintenance fees plus property tax plus your mortgage. Understand all three before you buy. This is Milad. He makes sure every condo buyer understands exactly what they are paying for maintenance, how it compares to property tax, and how to budget for all three monthly housing costs before they buy. Book a free 15-minute call with Milad. No pressure, just answers. Link in bio.